This is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of butter, and mixer all the ingredients. On the
bowl.
Put on an egg and look at the pictures.
What's that?
And mixers. This is. And then they put the ingredients cupcake in the blender. Now wait for 15 minutes. And look at this, it's already now into the chairs. Thank you. Bye bye.